Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics, an active carrier plan and a working cellular signal. Once confirmed, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab to begin. If you see prompts to set up now, tap it. Enter a voicemail password when requested and record a greeting. Make sure to do this while connected to cellular. Visual voicemail depends on your carrier. If visual voicemail isn't present, don't panic. There's one definitive way to disable voicemail, which we'll continue with next. Now you'll access the carrier side, dial your voicemail or long press one to reach it. Once connected, listen for settings or press the key for mailbox options. Carriers expose a deactivation or forwarding choice. Choose to forward to an empty number or select deactivate if offered. Why? Because voicemail lives on the carrier network, the iPhone only displays it. Be patient and follow voice prompts. Make sure to note any confirmation code. After confirmation, wait a few minutes for network changes to propagate before verifying on your phone. Finish by testing. Call your number from another phone. You should get no voicemail or a message indicating deactivation. If voicemail still answers, call your carrier support and give them the confirmation code you received. Insist on backend deactivation. Once told complete, restart your iPhone and toggle airplane mode to force a network refresh. Key troubleshooting tip: if visual voicemail remains visible, it's likely cached on the device. Deleting the voicemail from the phone app and rebooting usually clears it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.